Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
Okay, we have a piece of sourdough bread, which will soon be toast. We have a pasture-raised egg. We got some butter. And we've got, what? That is some leftover hash. Mike Foster here. How you doing? It's another one of my fried egg over toast recipes. I have a lot of them, and they're delicious, and they're fast, simple, and easy to make, and I'm going to show you how to make this one. This one I'm using some leftover hash, and I'm going to fry up that egg right now, and put the toast down. Check it out. Medium pan, butter down, mix that baby up. Here's an egg. Yes. Some pepper. Yeah, that's enough. I'd say about a minute before the flipperoo. All right, this one's ready for a flip. Get your spatula under it and just boopy bapa. There you go. Let that go for another 40 seconds. I'll meet you over at the counter to put this baby together. All right, we got the bread buttered. That was fast and easy, right? Now we take this hash and pile that baby on. Like I said, this is a leftover hash made with beef. And it looks pretty darn good, doesn't it? There's the egg. You pop that baby right there. Booyah. It's got a close-up. I'll even cut into it for you if you'd like. All right, I'm gonna cut into it right there. Oh, that's how it's supposed to look. Oh yeah. You bet it is. Big bite coming up. There's the close-up again of the fried egg over hash toast. Are you kidding me? No, I'm not. Oh. Savory. The hash is really meaty and savory, but the cream from the egg calms it down a little. Part of me thought I could maybe add some mustard to this, but I thought it would be too mustardy. That's the Sweet Bamboo and Killer Diller. Simple, simple, simple. Way to get your protein. Anyone can make this. Check out the rest of my simple recipes and a whole bunch of other stuff. I got over 1,600 videos on YouTube and on my socials. This is a piece of egg. Tell people about it. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
I gotta turn this off because it's making noise. You can see that right there. Look at it. They're just about to fall. There you go. Can't do a video with that noise. They're the dough. A minute before the flipperoo. That's what I said. Sodium. That's about all I can eat because I'm on this Ozempic and it sucks your your appetite. But know what it doesn't take away? The baba.